Alright, Jazla, you put out a challenge for me to model the sun angles on a globe. You said it's impossible. I told you it's quite easy. So, the angles that you gave is going to be 120 degrees southeast for sunrise with a 0 elevation, 0 degrees north with an 80-degree elevation, which is represented right there, and 240 degrees southwest for sunrise or sunset southwest. So I have marked them all out. The camera is located to where the sun's pretty much supposed to be. It's located at 34 degrees south latitude, right by Sydney, Australia. Each of these toothpick represents line of sight and the angle that they're representing. So let's look at sunrise. Notice how the toothpick is pretty much pointed straight at the camera. This is sunrise at 220 degrees southeast. As the Earth rotates, this is noontime. Notice once again, toothpick is pointed straight at the camera. Then you rotate one more time, and sunset. What happens? Toothpick is pointed straight at the camera. Once again, these represent the line of sight. These are marked to the angles that you gave yourself. So once again, as the Earth rotates, line of sight, pointing at the camera, pointing at the camera, and pointing at the camera. Told you it was simple. Every demonstration you gave saying it's impossible was trying to mark the cardinal coordinate system, the cardinal angles of north, east, south, and west from a 3D surface to a 2D map. Unfortunately, that doesn't work because the coordinate system changes with latitude. So if you had an angle like this that represents the angle, the cardinal system, right at the tropics where it's pointed straight at the sun, it changes as you skew. So this is a regular angle. As you skew the angle up and down to match the surface, the angle viewable changes. You cannot put this angle on a 2D surface without skewing it, shrinking the angle to match the surface that it mentioned. This is why I said you can only imagine 2D. You fail to understand what 3D is. You fail to understand how angles changes from a 3D curved surface that's skewed away from you, and you mapped it onto a 2D surface. This is why you don't understand how the sun angles work. It's not that it doesn't work, it's that your understanding of how it works fails. So I modeled this out on a physical model, 3D model, 12D model, I don't care what you call it. I mapped it out on a physical model. I want the same thing from you. This is the same challenge that you put to me, I'm putting exactly to you. No drawings. I want a physical model showing exactly where the sun is. I want to see you actually map out the angles to the sun. Remember, 120 degrees, 0 degree elevation. 80 degrees due north, 80 degree elevation due north. 240 degrees southeast or southwest with a 0 degree elevation. You have to map these out, showing all of the angles that you have given me, and you have to show me how it works on your globe. You have to show exactly where the sun is and actually measure it.